The next chapter which we are going to discuss is the very easiest chapter, that is coordinate geometry. In our early classes, we have learned about number lines. That the same thing, but two number lines combined together we are going to learn. Number line means what we will do? We will draw a line and with equal distance we will mark the numbers there. Same thing, see here, with equal distance 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the next side will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. This is a number line. Plot the point 2 on the number line, means just I will plot the point 2 here. Plot the point minus 4 on the number line, means I will plot the minus 4 on the number line. Now the same thing, I am going to take one more number line and I am going to put the number line in such a way that these two number lines intersect at the point 0. Now this 0 and this 0 meets at a single point. Now to the top one, let me take the positive values, and down let us take the negative values. Now these two number lines intersect at 0. So this number line 0 and this number line, horizontal number line 0 and vertical number line 0 meets at the single point. So we are going to represent this point as my origin. That is 0, 0. Why it is 0, 0 means this line 0 and the vertical line 0 both intersect at this point. The name of this horizontal line is x-axis line. Positive side is x and to the negative side is x dash, negative side. This point origin, so let us take this point as O to x positive, O to x dash is negative. Similarly, let us take this vertical line as y-axis line and positive direction, this is y, and in the negative direction it is y dash. So O to y dash is negative and O to y is positive. Now see here, this is a plane. In this plane, two line intersects and divides the plane into 4 parts. And name of these 4 parts is quadrant. The name of the 4 parts are quadrant. It is quadrant. Now these quadrants we are going to take in anti-clockwise direction. That is, this is my first quadrant. Here this is my second quadrant. Now this is the third quadrant and here it is fourth quadrant. Now see here, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now let us see this first quadrant. The first quadrant consists of OX and OY. The OX, that is positive side of the x-axis, and OY is the positive side of the y-axis. So here if I am going to plot some points, now how to plot the point? Now how to identify that point? Now see here, this is a point. Now how to identify? Let us take this point as A. How to identify where is that point? Now just drop a line from this point to the x-axis and drop a line to the y-axis also. Now in this x-axis where it meets at the place 4, in the y-axis where it meets at the place 6. Here we have written x and y together as 0 comma 0, x value comma y value. Same here also we are going to do x value comma y value. Now whether it is positive x or negative x, this side is for positive, so here it is plus 4, and now 6 oy is positive, therefore this is plus 6. Therefore we have to say this as plus 4 comma plus 6. This is also called as coordinates. The name of this is coordinates. What is a coordinate of A? Means we have to say as plus 4 comma plus 6. Plus simply we can say it as 4 comma 6 also. Now suppose the point B is here. Now how to identify this point here? Now just drop a line here. Now drop a line to y-axis also. Now it means the x-axis at minus 3. So x-axis point is minus 3 and y-axis point is 4. So minus 3 comma 4. This is negative side of the x-axis. So negative x. Here positive side of the y-axis. So it is positive. So the coordinate of B is minus 3 comma 4. Here I have x also plus y also plus, therefore this is plus plus quadrant. Here x I am having minus, y I am having plus, therefore this is minus plus quadrant. Now plot a point C is there. Now identify what is this coordinate of C. Now just drop a perpendicular to x-axis and to y-axis also. Now see here, don't go for seeing here y-axis line first. Always we have to see the x-axis only. We usually represent the coordinate as x comma y only. Always x value should be first, y value should be second. So here x value is minus 5 and next here y value is minus 4. Therefore minus 5 comma minus 4. Both x value and y value is minus. Therefore it is minus comma minus quadrant. Now the next one, let us take the point D here. Find the coordinates of D. Now drop the perpendicular to x-axis, drop a perpendicular to y-axis. Now in the x-axis the point is 2 plus 2, in y-axis it is minus 2 there. See here x is having positive value, y is having negative value, therefore it is plus minus quadrant. See, first quadrant is plus plus quadrant, second quadrant is minus plus quadrant, third quadrant is minus minus quadrant, fourth quadrant is plus minus quadrant. Now always we will represent this point as coordinates x comma y coordinate. Now see here, the value for the another name for x is abscissa and the name for y is ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. Now see here, what is the abscissa of A? Abscissa means x value. So abscissa of A means 4. Abscissa of A is 4. Now what is the ordinate of B? ordinate. Ordinate means y value. So y value here it is 4. Now what is the abscissa in C? Abscissa means x value, that is minus 5 here. Now what is the ordinate in D? Ordinate means y value, that is minus 2. If they are asking you to plot the point for 4 comma minus 2, given value is 4 comma minus 2. 4 is for x value and 2 is for minus 2 is there. Minus 2 is the y value. Now x minus y quadrant, plus minus quadrant we have to first identify. Plus and minus. Plus and minus, here it is fourth quadrant, so identified the quadrant there. Now 4 minus 2, just I have to plot here as 4 comma minus 2. Now next, minus 3 comma 2 lies in which quadrant? That type of question also they will ask you. They will give you coordinate and they will ask for which quadrant it lies, or they will give the coordinate and they will ask you for what is the abscissa value, what is the ordinate value. Identify the abscissa and the ordinate. What is the name of the plane which divides that two axis line? What is the name for this plane? Everything they will ask.